Alright, greetings, it's your boy JB, and I just wanted to say thank you for all the love, support, and engagement you guys have given me. You guys are really helping the channel grow. You got me up to 500 faster than I expected. Apparently the content's more interesting than I thought, and I just wanted to say thank you and give you a tour in my coworker's trailer. Okay, I know somebody had a question about it, and I like delivering on what I say I'm gonna do. So again, thank you so much. Okay. Alright. That's my main man, Dylan. Dylan's awesome.
Very mediocre.
Alright, you gonna take us around your trailer?
Yeah. Got my fan here because my AC doesn't work. Little of this, little of that in here. Cleaning supplies, Bluetooth speaker, backup lights in case my motor blows out on my generator. My freshly cleaned, organized drawer.
Oh, that's fucking dope right there.
Looking pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Mostly just trays and...
What's in that jug?
The fiber optic cleaner. Cleaning solution. I don't know what this is. You know what this is?
I think I do.
It's like some sort of special light or something.
It's a special doohickey.
Special doohickey. That's pretty much it. Got my ceiling fan. That's pretty much it. Clean this area out. All nice and organized now.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, you have a nice radio there.
Yeah, that doesn't work either.
It's vintage too.
All the electronics on this side do not work.
Oh, what's this right here?
That's a heater, fuse panel, fuel gauge. Start and stop switch right there.
Very nice. This is some top-notch trailer. Oh, look at that.
Fire extinguisher as well.
Fire extinguisher.
Gotta be ready. Safety first.
One more time with the safety first.
Safety first.
Fuck yeah. What do we got here?
Yeah, just our 8-way mucks right here. We're going to tie into probably this black one right here. Probably do black to black.
Nice.
Keep it simple.
Fuck yeah, man. Thanks, Dylan.
I better get a check if you get monetized.
We'll see. What kind of splicer is that?
This is the Swift KR12. Nothing fancy. Most guys prefer the Fuji 70R or the 90R, but I'm fortunate enough to have the Swift.
That's why you're awesome, man.
But it gets the job done.
Hey, would you say that your splicer is better than mine?
No, I don't think I would. I have a much easier time on ribbons on the Sumitomo than this one. For whatever reason, the cleaver, the hot jacket stripper is just real finicky on this one. I have a much easier time on the Sumitomo. That and this one doesn't have the 900 micron chucks, so yours does. So a lot more advantages to the Sumitomo for this one.
This is my first interview. Oh my god. All right. So I guess that's that.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, lastly, what's your traffic ID look like?
That is the AFL. I think it's a pretty popular one. Also currently not working.
Okay. All right. My man.
So.
And that's that. That's inside of Dylan's trailer. Dylan's awesome. Most efficient man on our team.